Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, on the ADA chart, this is the long-term chart. We can still see ongoing sideways consolidation. The price is currently holding above support on the daily chart, and we're also holding above the 50% retracement level at 64 cents, which is a key support level. And this would be the key support that needs to hold to keep the overall uptrend alive in this structure and in this rally, which started on the, when was it here? This November low. No, sorry, it was the October low, 25th of October. So to maintain the upside structure, to maintain an upside impulse potential, the 64 cent level must hold. At the moment it is holding, right? It is holding, and we could still see another, let's say 4-5 pattern in wave C before this rally is complete. There might be another extension in waves 4 and 5 in our white scenario, which is the more directly bullish one. But we are, let's say, far away from that anyway. We first want to see if the price can hold in any pullback the 64 cent level. That's crucial, the 50% retracement. So that's what we're tracking, right? And that means on the larger time frame, the next upside levels are relevant: $1.42, $1.72, $2.36, and $2.95. And when we're talking about this ongoing sideways structure here, which we currently see, then we don't really see much detail on the larger time frame. So it's best to take a look at the shorter time frame. But overall, please note that in this cycle, I'd still like to see ADA go higher, at least once more in circle wave 5. And again, that can take us for next to 142. I would expect that to be broken. Then 172, 236. Then we're getting into the area where really this C wave could form a top. And if we can then form another 4-5 pattern, it might take us to $4 and beyond. But let's first see if we can even hold 64 cents, because we're currently in a correction phase. But yeah, looking at the smaller time frame for ADA, just need to open the shorter time frame chart. There hasn't been much development, unfortunately. And you can see these are the most frustrating phases typically in any situation really. These ongoing sideways indecision structures, overlapping structures, up and down. We're holding above Fibonacci support, but there is no, let's say, impulsive reaction yet to the downside. So there isn't really that move that I can say that confidently, or that I can confidently say the third wave to the upside has started. I'm watching for it, but I can tell you that this chop that happened down here doesn't really look as if wave 2 is bottomed. So we might see one more low. I mean, this is only on the micro level, right? So there are many distortions on the micro charts. And again, you know, it's only the 30-minute chart, no, the one hour, but it's a very small time frame anyway. And any break below 96 cents wouldn't be a massive surprise, given that the rally from the 10th of December low was only a 3-wave move up. So it's only 3 waves, okay? It's only a corrective move up. It might turn into something more bullish, which is what I'm sketching out here in the yellow scenario, and I'm still looking for that move up, watching for it. But below 96 cents, we're likely either still in the larger wave 4 that presumably bottomed on the 10th of December, then with support at 83 cents. So we're taking a step by step. But any break below that level would mean we are already in circle wave 4, which is the larger wave 4 I showed you on the daily chart, or larger time frame. Would also not be a massive surprise given how, and we go back to the larger time frame. Where is it here? Given how extended this third wave is. And given that we've already reached a Fibonacci target area, because if we take the length of the initial rally, wave A, then we've already reached the 100% extension, which is $1.04. We've reached it. It's an ideal target. But the thing is, the microstructure doesn't look complete. So we should actually get that one more 4-5, which is what I'm watching for. Actually, on the smaller time frame, I'm even tracking an ongoing third wave. I think what most people just need to know is that as long as we're holding above 64 cents, the overall focus can be on higher. But below that level, yeah, more bearish scenarios need to be unpacked, and it will introduce a lot of uncertainty. So it will basically be a signal that this uptrend is breaking. So that is the level where I would get nervous. Until then though, the microstructure, a lot of this is just noise, but you have several support levels to watch here on the micro level. The lower one is obviously relevant on the larger time frame. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.